This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes with the bottom feeder. And I'm going to show you some new features with this updated bottom feeder. Inside the box is the owner's manual. This will show you how to set up the bottom feeder. Then you have the portability kit handle and pole extension, 2 bags. And here's the medium and small 100 micron bag that comes included. Cord with a switch and an extra cord without the switch. And here's the battery pack. And included are these 2 bands and this wrench to remove the propeller. And then you have the bottom feeder vacuum head itself with the motor on top. And to ensure you're getting a quality product, both the motor and battery pack are tested at the factory before the units are shipped out. And to improve safety, the bottom feeder uses a new Li-Fi P04 lithium iron phosphate battery. And this is one of the safest lithium ion battery types on the market. And a new 5 amp battery charger will charge the bottom feeder 50% faster. It'll take just 2.5 hours to fully charge the battery. And the threaded connector on the bottom feeder vacuum is now made out of stainless steel. And the connector on the cord is made out of chrome-plated brass. And the threaded part coming out of the battery is also stainless steel. And the top of the cord is also chrome-plated brass. You also have the spare cord. And with a power inverter, you can easily charge the bottom feeder in between stops. This will ensure that the bottom feeder will never run out of power. And just charging it for 10 minutes in your truck will give you about 7 minutes of runtime. Some of the new features here are these upgraded bumper flaps, and these are much more durable. They're not going to pop off and fall off, and there's this white insert that's going to keep them in place. And you also have these upgraded rubber wheels that are softer, and this will prevent the bottom feeder from leaving any marks on the bottom of a pool. And to get the bag on, you simply unlock it here. After you have it over the top of the bottom feeder, simply lock the bag back in place. And it does a great job with leaf debris, and you can vacuum an average sized pool in less than 5 minutes. Since there's no cord, you can drop it in anywhere in the pool and start vacuuming. And the bottom feeder is great at removing leaf debris, sand, and silt from pools, spas, water features, and fountains. You're going to love the versatility of the bottom feeder and how effective it is in vacuuming the pools on your route. And the bottom feeder does a great job with leaf debris as well as sand and silt. You go ahead and slide the pole extension on. You'll take the battery and slide it over the pole extension. Then you want to slide it onto this part here, and then turn this to lock it in. And to install the handle, go ahead and undo the Velcro. And to attach the handle, go ahead and slide it underneath here, where you have the handle joint. Then you want to pull the Velcro all the way across. And then you want to angle it slightly so that the handle is in between the battery like this. The nice thing about this handle, besides being able to carry the bottom feeder easily, is that it acts as a safety mechanism. In case this were to come unlatched here, the bottom feeder battery would not slide off. Simply slide the rubber bands over the battery. You want to slide this through here. You go ahead and connect this end of the cord to the top of the battery. And you want to connect the other end of the cord to the front of the bottom feeder. And charging the bottom feeder is really easy. You want to make sure that this is firmly plugged in. Then you want to take the end of the cord that's attached to the battery. Simply put it into the charger. And once you have it connected, turn on the switch and it'll start charging. And you'll see the red light indicating that it's charging the battery. And when it's fully charged, you'll see a green light. One easy way to carry the bottom feeder back to your stops is with this new bottom feeder bag. This bag has been specially designed to hold the bottom feeder. And the bottom feeder bag has a strap-on back, so you can wear it just like a backpack. This is a great way to transport the bottom feeder at your stops. And this allows you to have one hand free all the time to carry more stuff back, or to open gates and doors to get back to your stops. This is also an easy way to store the bottom feeder and keep it secure in your truck. Inside the throat of the bottom feeder is this thrust ring. So if you're vacuuming shallow water, this will increase the thrust. You can remove this also and use the bottom feeder without it. And note that the placement of the thrust ring is important for best performance. If you're vacuuming shallow water, or if you're using the cartridge on top, you want to make sure you place the thrust ring as close to the propeller as possible without touching it. They also sell a bottom feeder with an extra battery kit. And if you purchase this on their site, you'll save $200 off the cost of buying the bottom feeder with an extra battery separate. And I did mention the wrench earlier, and it's really easy to take the propeller off. So if there's any hair stuck in here, or if you have to change the propeller, it's really easy to do. And that's a look at the bottom feeder cordless battery powered pool vacuum. This is definitely the most complete bottom feeder on the market today. And I think if you're looking to get a vacuum system, this one would be perfect for you. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, the bottom feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.